Dear students, in the last class we learnt about this is the resonating structure of benzene, naphthalene and the anthracene. In that, delocalization of electrons should be taking place. Here the movement of electrons around the benzene ring. Okay, around means inside the benzene ring. This pi bond should be movable. Okay, not the sigma bond. This pi bond is movable. Okay, so then it gives a different canonical form. And then resonating structure of benzene is, this is the first resonating structure, and this bond is goes here. This is the second. There are two resonating structure is formed. And then resonating structure of naphthalene, this is the first resonating structure. Okay, this is the second, this is the third. You can write these three. Okay, you should not write the arrow mark. Okay, then this is the resonating structure of anthracene. 4 resonating structure is possible in the anthracene. Naphthalene has a 2 benzene ring, anthracene has a 3 benzene ring. This has the one reaction is there, that is Diels-Alder reaction of anthracene with malic anhydride. It is conjugated reaction between conjugated diene and a substituted alkene. Here the presence of electron withdrawing group in dienophile. This is the dienophile. It has an electron withdrawing group that increases the activity. Okay, this will increases the activity and reaction takes place at lower temperature. Okay, then anthracene and malic anhydride undergoes Diels-Alder reaction to form an adduct. Adduct means it forms in the single step product. Okay, not in the dissociation product. This is the reaction. This is all about the reactions of Diels and the resonating structure. Next, fifth one is reaction with biphenyl. Reaction with biphenyl. Okay, here we know that biphenyl is the colorless, is a colorless crystalline organic compound. Okay, so biphenyl is a solid. Okay, this is organic compound and mainly it is used as dielectric fluids and heat transfer agent. Okay, mainly it is used as dielectric fluids and the heat transfer agent. And also biphenyl is also an intermediate. Biphenyl is also an intermediate for the production of many other organic compounds. Okay, organic compounds such as emulsifier, optical brighteners, optical brighteners, etc. Okay, so here biphenyl is a colorless crystalline organic compound, so it is a solid and it is used as a dielectric fluids and heat transfer agent. It is mainly used in these compounds, and biphenyl, it is also an intermediate to form the production. It means it causes a production of many other organic compounds in such that emulsifier and optical brighteners mainly. This is all other compounds are also produced by the intermediate of biphenyl, but these are the emulsifier and optical brightness are the main compounds, and that the preparation of biphenyl by Ullmann reaction. How to prepare the biphenyl is by Ullmann reaction. One of the preparation is there. Now we see the how biphenyl is prepared by Ullmann reaction. The Ullmann reaction is an organic reaction used to couple of two molecules of aryl halide to form a biaryl using copper metal and thermal conditions. Okay, here you have to see this reaction is an organic reaction. We know that this reaction is used to couple of two molecules of aryl halide. Aryl means aromatic ring, it means benzene ring. That ring contains a halogen group to form a biaryl using copper metal and thermal conditions. Here the metal should be used as a catalyst to convert a aryl halide to the biphenyl. The reaction is chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Two molecules of chlorobenzene reacts with copper metal under thermal conditions. It means temperature and pressure should be at constant. In the presence of copper metal, it gives a biphenyl. Here you have to mainly observe where the benzene ring is connected, second carbon atom and sixth carbon atom. Okay, this is the biphenyl. Okay, next last reaction is alkynyl benzenes. Okay, alkynyl benzenes. Here the alkynyl benzenes, the example for that is preparation of stilbene. This is very important. Okay, here how the stilbene is prepared, you have to observe. Stilbene, it has both cis and trans. Okay, trans is prepared by using Wittig's reaction. It means the stilbene is benzyl triphenyl phosphenium chloride reacts with benzaldehyde, that is called it as a Wittig reaction. Okay, the stilbene is prepared by using Wittig reaction. This Wittig reaction is benzyl triphenyl phosphonium chloride, benzene triphenyl phosphonium chloride reacts with benzaldehyde okay, in the presence of concentrated NaOH, sodium hydroxide, concentrated NaOH to form mixture of cis and trans stilbene is formed. Okay, this is the method to prepare the cis and trans stilbene. This is the preparation of stilbene. Here this stilbene is prepared by using Wittig's reaction. Here benzyl triphenyl phosphonium chloride reacts with benzaldehyde in the presence of concentrated NaOH. This is called it as a Wittig's reaction. It gives the cis and trans stilbene is formed. Okay, and here the reaction is this is the PPH3Cl. This is phosphonium chloride, benzyl triphenyl phosphonium chloride. Okay, this is benzyl triphenyl phosphonium chloride plus benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde CHO, okay, in the presence of concentrated NaOH and dichloroethene. Okay, dichloroethene is formed and it gives the cis and trans stilbene. This is the trans stilbene. Here this benzene ring is opposite side. This is trans stilbene. Okay, next this is formed as major product plus and this is the cis, sorry, this is right, this is the cis stilbene. Okay, it forms a minor product. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ one is should be formed at higher and one is lower, like that. Here benzyl triphenyl phosphonium chloride reacts with benzaldehyde in the presence of concentrated NaOH. It gives a trans and cis stilbene. Trans stilbene is the major product, it forms more product, and it is a lesser, it means minor. Okay, because this trans stilbene is major products because it has less hindered, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗು that should be away from that. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟೀರಿಕ್ ಹಿಂಡ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೂರ ಇದೆ, so that's why it forms a more product. It means major product and it is minor product. And the IUPAC name of the trans stilbene is, the IUPAC name of the trans stilbene is trans 1,2 diphenyl ethylene. Okay, and this is cis 1,2 diphenyl ethylene. Okay, here in the trans stilbene it has a hydrocarbon containing of a trans ethene double bond substituted with a phenyl group on both the carbon atoms of the double bond. It means this ethene groups, this is the ethene group, this ethene group should bonded with the benzene ring. That benzene ring carbon atom should have the double bond. Okay, should have the double bond, so that's why it is called it as a trans stilbene or a major product is formed. And then cis stilbene, it is a hydrocarbon, here also ethene double bond substituted with a phenyl group on both the carbon atoms of the double bond. Here also this is the ethene group. Okay, this ethene group is bonded with two benzene ring, this carbon atom and this carbon atom. In this carbon atom both have a double bond, atrane double bond irutte. Okay, so it is cis stilbene. In that this benzene ring is present on opposite side, it is a trans. If it is present in the same side, it is cis. This is all about the preparation of stilbene. Do you get it? This is the reaction with biphenyl. Biphenyl is a colorless crystalline organic compound and this will be used in the dielectric fluids and the heat transfer agent. And biphenyl is also an intermediate to produce the other products such as emulsifier and the optical brighteners, etc., whatever it may be. And then the biphenyl is prepared by Ullmann reaction. The Ullmann reaction is an organic reaction used to couple two molecules of aryl halide. Here 2 molecules of aryl halide means chlorobenzene or iodobenzene, whatever it may be, benzene ring that should be attached by halogen atom by using copper metal under thermal conditions. This is the reaction. Okay, this is chlorobenzene. 2 moles of chlorobenzene reacts with copper metal in some thermal conditions. It gives a biphenyl. Next is alkynyl benzenes. Preparation of stilbene. Stilbene have a cis and trans isomer. Both have a cis and trans. Is prepared by using Wittig's reaction. The stilbene is prepared by Wittig's reaction, and then benzyl triphenyl posponium chloride. Benzyl triphenyl posponium chloride reacts with benzaldehyde. Okay, this is benzaldehyde in the presence of concentrated NaOH to form a mixture of cis and trans. Stilbene is formed. This is the benzyl triphenyl posponium chloride and benzaldehyde. This is concentrated NaOH. This is trans and this is cis stilbene. Benzene ring is present in opposite side, that is trans. Benzene ring is present in same side, that is cis. Okay. The IUPAC name is trans 1,2 diphenyl ethylene. This is 1,2 diphenyl ethylene. Here trans isomer forms a major product, cis isomer forms a minor product, because this trans isomer is formed as a major product since it's sterically less hindered. This alkyl group is, phenyl group is away from that, so that's why it is formed a major product and then it forms a minor product. And in these two isomers, this ethene carbon atom should be bonded with benzene ring, and that carbon atom have a double bond each. Okay, this is all about the alkynyl benzenes. And in the examination, the 2 to 3 marks will be arises like explain Birch reduction with an example, or a Etard reaction with an example, and give the resonance structures. Okay, resonance structures of benzene, naphthalene and anthracene, and explain these reactions. It means preparation of biphenyls, or explain the preparation of biphenyl by Ullmann reaction. Okay, and give the structures of cis and trans stilbene and preparation of stilbene. These are the questions will be arises. And also they can ask what is diphenyl, define resonance, and give the structure of biphenyl. Okay, you have to mainly concentrated on these conditions. Okay, and then they can ask what is reduction and what is oxidation, and also reagents used in the Birch reduction or a Etard reaction. Okay.